California buckwheat, Eriogonum fasciculatum, not to be confused with its distant cousin, the cereal buckwheat, plays a vital role in traditional medicine. Often overlooked in modern pharmacopoeia, this hardy shrub offers a wealth of health benefits, earning its place in herbal medicine, growth, and habitat. Thriving in the diverse climates of California, from the coastal sage scrub to the inland chaparral, California buckwheat is remarkably adaptable. It prefers sunny, open areas with well-drained soils and is drought-resistant, making it a staple in xeriscape gardening. Identification. This perennial shrub can be identified by its rounded, bushy appearance, often reaching up to 5 feet in height. It blooms profusely from spring to fall, with flowers ranging from white to pink, which then turn to a rusty brown. Its leaves are small, needle-like, and clustered at the base, presenting a greenish-grey hue. Edible parts and uses. While not commonly consumed, the seeds of California buckwheat are edible and can be ground into a flour substitute for pancakes and bread, although it's less common than the grain buckwheat. Native American tribes have used the seeds as a food source during times of scarcity. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. General properties. Older plants of California buckwheat are believed to have heightened medicinal properties. The entire plant, leaves, stems, and flowers, harbors therapeutic benefits and is used in various preparations. Wound care. The plant's astringent properties help in reducing bleeding and speeding up the healing process when applied topically. Respiratory relief. It serves as an excellent remedy for colds, coughs, and sore throats due to its soothing effects on the respiratory system. Digestive health. Useful in treating diarrhea and other stomach issues, the herb's anti-inflammatory properties calm the digestive tract. Oral care. When used as a mouthwash, the infusion helps in treating gum diseases and maintaining oral hygiene. Anti-inflammatory and analgesic. It is effective against inflammation and mild pain, making it suitable for treating headaches and muscular pain. Heart health. The flavonoids present may contribute to cardiovascular health by improving circulation and reducing cholesterol levels. Harvesting. The best time to harvest California buckwheat is in the late summer when the flowers are in full bloom and before the seeds harden. Cut the stems at around 1/3 of their height to encourage regrowth. Drying in a shaded, well-ventilated area preserves their medicinal qualities. Cautions: California buckwheat is generally considered safe for most people. However, as with any medicinal herb, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before beginning any new treatment, especially for those with existing health conditions or who are pregnant or breastfeeding. California buckwheat stands out as a multifaceted plant in the realm of natural medicine. With its array of uses from nutritional to medicinal, it exemplifies the potential of native plants in contributing to health and well-being. As research continues to unfold, the full spectrum of its benefits awaits to be further explored, promising a robust future in both herbal therapy and ecological gardening.